Reduta, officially known as the Slovak Philharmonic, is a prominent concert hall and cultural venue located in Bratislava. It is known for its architectural beauty, acoustics, and significant role in the Slovak music scene. Reduta was originally built in the late 18th century as a guest house and social club for the aristocracy. The building has undergone several renovations and expansions. Its neoclassical exterior features elegant columns and decorative details, while the interior is adorned with ornate elements that enhance its cultural significance. The main concert hall within Reduta is renowned for its excellent acoustics, making it an attractive venue for orchestral performances, chamber music, and various musical events. The hall is designed to host a range of performances, including classical music concerts, choirs, and modern music events. Reduta serves as the home of the Slovak Philharmonic Orchestra, which was established in 1949. The orchestra performs a variety of classical and contemporary repertoires, as well as special events and collaborations with renowned guest artists and conductors. The hall is currently undergoing extensive renovation, which is due to last until 2011. In the meantime, the Slovak Philharmonic is performing at the nearby Slovak National Theatre. Situated near the city center and along the banks of the Danube River, Reduta is easily accessible for locals and tourists. Its location adds to the charm of attending performances in this historic venue. Reduta is an important cultural institution in Bratislava, richly contributing to the city's musical landscape. With its historical significance, stunning architecture, and commitment to high-quality performances, it continues to attract both local audiences and international visitors, making it a key destination for music lovers. The Slovak National Gallery is the most significant art institution in Slovakia, dedicated to collecting, preserving, and exhibiting Slovak visual art and international artworks. It plays a crucial role in promoting art and culture within the country. The gallery is primarily located in Bratislava, housed in a modernist building designed by architect Ernest Zmeták, with additional exhibition spaces in the historical Karpatský mansion. The main building is situated along the Danube River, providing a scenic backdrop. The Slovak National Gallery boasts a diverse collection that features artworks from various periods, including Gothic, Renaissance, Baroque, and modern art. The collection includes paintings, sculptures, graphic art, and applied arts, representing both Slovak artists and significant international pieces. The gallery features works by prominent Slovak artists, as well as pieces by renowned international figures. It showcases both historical and contemporary art, contributing to a comprehensive view of the development of art in Slovakia. As a prominent cultural institution, the gallery contributes to the cultural landscape of Slovakia, fostering local and international collaboration in the arts. It serves as a platform for discussions about contemporary issues in art and society. The Slovak National Gallery is open to the public, and visitors can explore its vast collection, enjoy temporary exhibitions, and participate in educational programs. Its central location in Bratislava makes it easily accessible, attracting art lovers, students, and tourists interested in experiencing Slovakia's rich artistic heritage. The Blue Church, officially known as the Church of St. Elizabeth, is a stunning and unique Roman Catholic church located in Bratislava. It is renowned for its striking blue facade and artistic architecture, making it one of the city's most recognizable landmarks. The Blue Church is designed in the Art Nouveau style, characterized by its decorative and ornamental features. The church was constructed between 1909 and 1913 and is a great example of early 20th century architecture. Its design includes flowing curves, floral motifs, and intricate tile work. The church is famously known for its blue hues, which are evident in both its exterior and interior tiles. The blue color is used extensively, creating a fairy tale-like atmosphere. This vibrant color scheme distinguishes the church from other buildings in Bratislava. The interior of the Blue Church is just as impressive as its exterior. It features beautiful stained glass windows, delicate frescoes, and intricate decorations. The altar and various religious artworks enhance the overall beauty of the space. The church is dedicated to Saint Elizabeth of Hungary, who is known for her charitable work and care for the poor. The church's design and the imagery used throughout tell the story of her life, aligning with her values of compassion and service. The church remains an active place of worship, hosting regular mass services and other religious events. It is also a venue for weddings, contributing to its significance for many families in the community. Due to its unique architecture and colorful design, the Blue Church has become one of Bratislava's most photographed and frequently visited landmarks. Eurovea is a prominent shopping mall and lifestyle center located in Bratislava. Situated along the banks of the Danube River, Eurovea has become a popular destination for shopping, dining, entertainment, and leisure activities. Eurovea provides a mix of high-end luxury brands and more accessible retail options. Eurovea boasts a variety of dining establishments, from casual cafes to sit-down restaurants. Visitors can enjoy local Slovak cuisine, as well as international dishes. The adjacent promenade along the Danube River is perfect for walking, jogging, or biking, providing a recreational space for residents and visitors. The area around Eurovea is designed to enhance the urban experience, with green spaces and public art installations. The Eurovea complex features a modern architectural design, combining sleek aesthetics with functional spaces. The incorporation of glass elements allows for natural light to flood the interior, creating an open and airy atmosphere. The shopping mall is part of the larger Eurovea City Development Project, which includes residential apartments, office spaces, and a luxurious hotel. This comprehensive urban development aims to create a dynamic living and working environment in the area. Eurovea is not just a shopping destination. It has become a social hub in Bratislava, attracting both locals and tourists looking to enjoy leisure and retail experiences in a vibrant setting. Eurovea Shopping Mall stands out as a modern retail and entertainment center in Bratislava, offering a blend of shopping, dining, and recreational opportunities in a scenic location. Its role as a cultural and social hub enhances the city's appeal and provides a lively environment for residents and visitors alike. The new Slovak National Theatre is a significant cultural institution in Bratislava dedicated to the performing arts. Opened in 2007, the new theatre represents a modern addition to the Slovak National Theatre, which has a long and rich history dating back to the late 19th century. The new Slovak National Theatre building was designed by the renowned architect Martin Kvasnica. Its modern architectural style is characterized by elegant lines and a unique glass facade, contrasting with the historical buildings in the vicinity. The design includes functional spaces while maintaining a visually appealing structure. The theater features two main performance venues, the Grand Hall, the Studio. Sky Park in Bratislava is a modern and innovative development comprising residential, office, and public spaces, transforming part of the city's skyline. Designed by the renowned architect Zaha Hadid, The project is notable for its futuristic architecture and sustainable design principles. Sky Park includes 3 high-rise residential towers that offer luxury living spaces with panoramic views of Bratislava. The towers are known for their distinctive curved shapes and contemporary design, reflecting Zaha Hadid's signature style. The development also features office buildings accommodating businesses with state-of-the-art facilities. These spaces are designed to blend functionality with aesthetic appeal, catering to modern business needs. The site was historically significant as it housed a gasworks plant, and part of the redevelopment included preserving industrial heritage. This was achieved by incorporating historical elements into the new design. The project represents a broader effort to revitalize this part of Bratislava, enhancing its urban landscape and providing new residential and commercial opportunities. Nivy Centrum is a modern, multifunctional complex located in Bratislava, combining a shopping mall, international bus terminal, and office spaces. It serves as a significant hub for both transportation and commerce within the city. Nivy Centrum is designed with a focus on modern aesthetics and functionality. The architecture emphasizes natural light, open spaces, and sustainability, promoting an inviting atmosphere. Nivy Centrum houses a wide variety of retail stores, ranging from fashion and electronics to groceries and home goods. The complex offers a diverse range of dining options, including cafes, restaurants, and food courts that cater to different tastes and preferences. One of the central components of Nivy Centrum is its state-of-the-art bus terminal, a key transportation hub for Bratislava. It facilitates regional and international travel, connecting the city with numerous destinations across Europe. The development includes modern office spaces designed to accommodate businesses of various sizes. Freedom Square is a prominent public space in Bratislava. The square serves as a vital urban area that combines historical significance, cultural importance, and practical function within the city. Freedom Square has a rich history that reflects the development of Bratislava over the centuries. It has been a site for public gatherings and events, making it a key location in the city's social and political life. The square is bordered by several notable buildings, including historical and modern architecture. These structures reflect various architectural styles, showcasing Bratislava's historical evolution. One of the notable buildings located near the square is the historic synagogue, an important cultural site for the Jewish community in the city. Freedom Square features various sculptures and monuments that commemorate significant events, figures, or themes in Slovak history, enhancing the cultural richness of the space. The Presidential Palace serves as the official residence of the President of Slovakia and is a symbol of the Slovak Republic. The palace was originally built in the early 18th century, around 1760, for the Hungarian nobleman Mikuláš Grašilkovič, which is why it is often referred to as Grašilkovič Palace.